Could Lyme disease be wrecking your gut without you knowing it? This is part of a Common Sense Lyme disease series. I'm Dr. Cameron. So let's begin. What if it's not just your gut? I have patients where they've been to gastroenterologists, they've tried all kinds of remedies for gastroparesis, SIBO, etc., and they're still sick. They're still having problems. But what they haven't realized is that there's something called the autonomic nervous system, ANS, that controls digestion, but also controls heart rate. You might see it as POTS, positional orthostatic tachycardia syndrome. It controls breathing, so some people have trouble catching their breath or have air hunger. But the autonomic nervous system works silently in the background. It works automatically in the background, except it's not so silent if it leads to gut issues. Lyme disease can affect the autonomic nervous system. I see digestive problems, stomach acid production issues, constipation, and diarrhea, and likely there's some nutrition absorption problems. Several symptoms that I've seen in my practice are sluggish digestion, that's where the gastroparesis comes up, nausea and bloating, that's where the irritable bowel comes up. The dizziness is part of the autonomic nervous system where they're lightheaded when they change position. They may have POTS. Heart palpitations are part of that POTS where positional orthostatic tachycardic syndrome. They often have fatigue and brain fog, and I mentioned constipation. So my patient had seen 3 gastroenterologists, had tried several treatments, had failed treatment for SIBO and irritable bowel syndrome. With all of the other symptoms, in addition to the autonomic nervous system symptoms, her gut symptoms started healing. So don't miss the connection. If your symptoms don't make sense, if you still have gut issues, at least it's worth considering, could Lyme disease be a factor? And Lyme disease works through the autonomic nervous system, so there's always other issues that seem irrelevant. So if you've had this problem and this concern, comment autonomic Lyme below. Thank you for joining me for this Common Sense Lyme series. Have a good day.